Hello everyone, today we're going to see the difference between return and print statement. Beginner programmers often find it confusing to distinguish between a print statement and a return statement. Yet, these two serve as distinct roles in programming. While they may appear similar at first glance, they fulfill separate functions within a program's logic and flow. When a function has a return statement, it means it is giving back a value back to whoever called the function. It's like a bakery making a cake and giving it to you. You can do whatever you want with that cake once you have it. For example, a function to add two numbers might return the sum of those numbers. Print statement is just for displaying things on the screen. It is like showing off your cake to your friends. You're not giving them the cake, just letting them see it. For example, if you want to see the result of adding two numbers on the screen, you use a print statement to show it. In short, return is for giving back a value from a function. Print is for showing something on the screen. Let's use the example of squaring a number to illustrate the difference between a print statement and a return statement. Let's define a function, let's say square, and it takes a parameter number and it squares the number and it will just print the squared number. Then let's call the function and give it some value. Here, it's just printing out the square of the number that we have given to the functions. Remember that it's not returning anything, but rather it is just printing the square of the number. And it is showing the result on the output. Now let's use the same function, but this time we are returning the value. Define a function, square, number squared, now let's return this result. And result equal to square, and let's give it some value. Let's say 3. And now we will print this value. Mm, 9. Here the square function takes a number as input, calculates its square, and returns the result using the return statement. The returned value, the square of the number, is then stored in a variable result and later displayed on the screen using a print statement.